We'll guide you through how to create a Trello template card, making your workflow more efficient and organized. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Trello on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the board where you want to create the template card. Click on the Create New Card button, which you can typically find at the bottom of any list. Enter the details for your template card, including the title and any description or checklist items that you want to appear on every card created from this template. After setting up the card with all necessary information, you'll need to click on the card to open it fully. In the card menu, look for the More option, and then click on Make Template. This turns your card into a template. From now on, whenever you want to use this template, you can click on Create Card from Template, and Trello will generate a new card with all the details you've set up in the template. This is an excellent way to save time and ensure consistency across your projects. A quick tip: if you need to update the template, just go back to the template card, make your changes, and they will be reflected in all future cards created from it. It's a handy feature for teams with repetitive tasks or projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.